HSP90 inhibitors are a really cool class of drugs. There are several. Before I started my current trial using AUI-922 and erlotinib, I floated the same concept out to about 10 different companies with 10 different HSP90 inhibitors. It is a really cool idea that you could inhibit a number of different oncoproteins or mutated genes that are causing a cancer to form with a drug. I don't know that we've found the home for HSP90 inhibitors. I don't think that it will be amongst patients with acquired resistance to erlotinib. There are a couple trials that have already been published a couple years ago that had only single-digit response rates with HSP90 inhibitors. The response rate in my trial was 16%. And that is not a home run. I think the prospects amongst ALK-positive patients are better, but one thing I haven't talked about at all is the cost of taking an HSP90 inhibitor. And I don't mean the financial cost per se, but the toxicity or the safety profile. These drugs used to be much more toxic, like the first generation HSP90 inhibitors were very hard to take, and they're getting better, but there are still some toxicities that make it not a slam dunk for any population. We talked yesterday about where HSP90 inhibitors will find their home, and I think there was consensus that we should keep trying to find the best place or the best group of patients that will benefit the most from treatment with this drug.